Hello, I am U Rohit Reddy and my registration number is 18BC0921 and my slot is C1 and my professor is Dhanbal R. My serial number is 62 and I have chosen the IEEE paper Area and Power Performance Analysis of Floating Point ALU using pipelining. I have studied about this deeply from this IEEE research paper. In module 2 we understood how basic arithmetic operations are implemented in COA and how signed multiplication and divisions are carried out. So in the selected paper we are computing the area, power and timing analysis of floating point arithmetic using pipelining. Nowadays, all signal processing algorithms are presented by double precision floating point for hardware implementation as large precision needs large dynamic range. Fixed point has a drawback over floating point. That is, fixed point cannot be used for high precision computing as it lacks for large dynamic range. So this is the diagram of the pipelined adder or subtractor. I have drawn this using YED graph editor and I'll also show it right now. So as you can see, I have opened the YED graph editor and I'll draw the pipelined adder and subtractor. So as you can see, this is the pipelined adder and subtractor. In the same way, I have drawn pipeline multiplier and also uh, the pipeline divider using YED graph editor. So these are some of the tabulated results and graph using Office Suite. These are the adder results, the subtractor results, in which they contain parameters like power, area, timing, without pipelining, and with pipelining. This is for multiplication results and the divider results. And these are the proposed architectures discussed in the paper, which is this one. This is a pre-normalized block for add or subtract, and this is pre-normalized block for multiplication or divide, and there is add, subtract, multiply, divide, and this is also drawn using YED graph editor. And then we have the transistor level internal diagrams using electronic schematic capture and simulation tools. Uh, so yeah. In this paper, different number arithmetic modules are actualized, and after that, different relative investigations are finished. At last, these individual squares are clubbed to make floating point based ALU in a pipelined way to minimize the power and to expand the working recurrence in the meantime. These relative examinations are done on Altera and uh, Xilinx. Both recreation results are confirmed hypothetically. So these are some of the results. And then, what are the advantages of proposed design over the existing design? By changing the number of digital control port signals to realize the adjustment of the whole data, the number of multipliers in the multiplication part of the multiplicator is reduced. By controlling the change of data format, the selectable architecture of the high computing precision and low computing resource consumption is realized in the operation. At the same time, the working frequency is greatly raised in the case of using the custom data structure. So, what are the merits and demerits of the proposed and existing techniques or hardware? Merits: pipelined adder is utilized to build the throughput of the adder unit. For this, we work all sign, exponential, and division bit independently. Then type are moved appropriately to liken the type and operation is done on the partial piece. So the demerits are the adjusting of vastness happens in special cases module, not in the adjusting module. The entire operation takes around 62 clock cycles. For expanding the reoccurrence of throughput of the circuit, the division step is unrolled, and at that point a few pipelining stages are embedded in the middle of every minor operation. What are the applications of the proposed design? So these are the applications of the proposed design. And at last, we have the flowchart or algorithm or transistor level circuit proposed in this design in an ESP file format, which is this. That's it. Thank you.